Alright, language explorers. Let's have a look at this week's Wednesday adjectives. So able, can do something. I am able to go, there's the verb, the go there today. Yeah. I am able to teach. I can teach. I am able to teach. I am able to teach. I, subject, teach, verb, able, adjective. That is the most able room for the meeting. He is an able-bodied person. Able-bodied, he can do something. So I am able. I am able. I am able. He is able. She is able. They are able. It is able. It is able. We are able. We are able. You are able. You are able. So he is able to come here. He can do it. He's able to do it. He can. He is coming here. He is able to come here. She is able to learn English. Yeah, she can learn English. She's learning English. She is able to learn English. Yeah. It is able to work. It is working. It can work. It is able to work. Machine. It is able to work now. Work now. Yeah. So he is the most able man for the job, but not now. Who is the most able person here? Who is able to come with me? Who can come with me? I don't know. Yeah. This is good and able snow to make a snowman. Yeah. I am able to make a snowman. Yeah. How cool is that? We're writing the most able script possible. We are writing we are able to write today. I am able to go biking tomorrow. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah, able, so can do something. I am able. I am able. You are able. She is able. Yeah. They are able. They are able. He is able. It is able. Okay, right. Okay. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Yeah. So able can do something. Now, are you able to use able in a sentence? Comment below. And like the video and subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come, more content on its way. How cool is that? You can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. Just look for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too. Look for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.